In our work, we're responding to our client and the land. This was really about a sense of journey and discovery. So there's all the secrets to the home are not given away the minute you drive up to the property. So the first thing that we want to do is really get to know our clients, know our owners, and we want to know really everything about their lives, what's important to them, and then that same type of understanding we want to also have of the property. This property in particular had a really interesting topography that we wanted to work with rather than fight against.
And you catch these glimpses of the house with a very low profile through the trees, through the landscaping, and it begins to open itself up to you a little bit. How we looked at building it and placing it in such a way that it's sunk in on one side, exposes itself to the lakeside, keeps it very humble, and no matter where you are and walking around in the house or the site, it's got a very human scale to it.
We're so fortunate, we're so grateful to work with a really wonderful husband and wife client. Part of the request was to have a home that not only was comfortable when it was just the two of them and it felt cozy and warm, but at the same time could open up to large family gatherings and reunions.
Doing things like popping up the roof in a little bit different way, or adding an element like a canopy over the kitchen. These moments really help create each individual space. The stone helps create that fireplace. The canopy helps create the kitchen area. The pop-up of the ceiling helps create the dining area. Really helps bring it down to just a cozy comfort feel.
The most important was really the main living. That was piece number one. Piece number two was their private room. And then from there was a guest wing. That was the third component. And the fourth was more of an accessory structure that became kind of an art studio. So the organization was set up by those four components. And so we tried to keep each of those as almost a little more pavilionized. So each one was recognizable, and that helped break the scale down. When you paviljonize the different functions of living, main bedroom, guest, and accessory, as they start to work with the appropriate parts of the property, they create courtyards or outdoor rooms. And so these are the spaces that are really life-filled because they almost double the feel of your home.
The biggest step that we do is not only the form, but it's also the materials. Using the same type of stone that's taken from the site, using that throughout the house, and then taking that hard stone material and softening it up with a bunch of mahogany and wood to really bring that warmth to the whole project. You come in this house and it is an extension of who the client is. You can see them in every touch and every part of the project. You can see their hand in it. That was important to them, and that's important to us. It's important to have the client involved and have them feel at the end of the day that not only is it a beautiful piece of architecture, but it's them.